All right, it is Earth Day, and we are gonna go on a nature walk. We have this little scavenger hunt page, and we're gonna see if we can find all of the things on the page, and if not, just at least a lot of them. Lorelai is not having it today.
Because she...
So, here we go, follow along with us. All right, so what's the first thing that we could find?
Grass.
So grass and clouds?
Yes.
All right, well, if we found some of those, here, let's take our green marker. We found what? Clouds. Okay. What else did you find?
We found grass.
Grass. Did we see any flowers?
Yes.
Where'd you see a flower at?
There's a bunch of them over
Yeah,
there.
there's some dandelions over here. So we could cross that one off.
I also see...
Oh, we see some trees. Here's trees everywhere in our neighborhood, huh? Branches come from what?
Trees.
Yeah, branches are from the tree.
That's all. Oh,
What about the sun?
I don't see... Oh, it's...
Is the sun out or is it hiding?
It's out.
Oh, I see it. Oh, it's so bright. There it is.
That's a... Do we see any butterflies?
I don't
check
know.
something off.
What are you gonna check off?
You'll see.
Did you see a bird? What
Yeah,
color?
look.
Where?
It's a robin.
Oh yes, look, here's a little robin flying around.
We have a lot of robins.
All right.
That's all.
Okay. What'd you find? What's this guy right here?
Pine tree.
A pine tree. And how do you know it's a pine tree?
Ow!
Oh yeah, look at the really sharp, pointy
Ow.
pine needles on it. See that? What color is
Where's
this?
a pine needle bush?
Yeah, what color is a pine tree?
Green.
Ooh, that is sharp. It's like a cactus.
Another cactus is glowing.
Yeah, we do. Okay, so you need our handy dandy
Mocha.
green marker.
We have two things to call.
How you doing? Can you tell people why you're upset? Why are you so upset, sweet girl? What'd you cross off? Pine tree?
Yeah. Also,
Ooh, and look, when you draw a pine tree, it is like a bunch of triangles on top of each other.
like, yeah.
Now it's a little cold out today, so I don't know if we're gonna find any flies
Ice.
or ants.
We also found
bees.
another thing.
What'd you find?
We found leaves.
Leaves.
I found.
Let's see,
I
where's
saw
some
water.
leaves? Because it is spring.
There's leaves right behind you.
Yes, there's some leaves on this bush.
Someone was power washing his car.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah, this guy's spraying the grass.
That's what I found.
There we go. Ooh, what's this guy right here?
Brutus. No.
What's that orange guy right there? What's this orange guy called?
I don't see orange guy.
This right here.
Oh. Hello. Fire hydrant. What are you doing?
It's a fire hydrant. What comes out of that?
Water.
Water does, yeah.
The
Yeah, who's this guy right here?
Moody's.
Brutus Buckeye. All right,
He's kicking the football.
let's keep going. Oh wait, what is this right here?
What?
Across the street, what's that called? In the grass.
A stump.
It's a tree stump. Okay, well we found one more thing on our list. There you go.
Lorelai is not liking it.
No, Lorelai's not liking this because she's in a grumpy mood. All right, check we have found flower, tree, bird, grass, leaf, cloud, water, stump, branch, sun, and pine tree. So we still have some other things to find. Let's see if we can find them on our little walk. Oh, Johnny discovered something. What'd you discover here?
Water. Water.
Yeah,
There's water on
it says
it.
water. W-A-T-E-R. Oh, and a shoe on top. So, and there's a little bolt in the middle. What shape is that bolt? How many sides does it have?
Hexagon. No.
It has 1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
5 sides. So what's a 5-sided shape called?
A one. No.
Starts with a P.
Pentagon.
A pentagon.
Pentagon, yeah.
Yeah, there's a pentagon shape in the middle of it.
And guess what's underneath that?
Yeah, what if you take this bolt out and lift this off, what do you think you'll find?
Water.
Do you think that that's some access to some water somehow?
Yeah, it does say water.
Yeah. What shape is this?
A circle.
Yeah, that's a circle. So we found a circle and a pentagon. 5 sides and 5 corners is a pentagon. All right. I still haven't found any little bugs anywhere though. We're gonna keep looking.
Someone threw trash on the ground.
Oh no! What should we do?
Pick it up and throw it in the trash.
We should throw that in the trash can because we don't throw our trash in the grass.
There's something under that tree.
There's something under this big giant pine tree. Hey, should Mommy / Miss Allie pick this up and throw it in the trash can?
Yes.
Okay.
Over here.
Ooh, does Johnny find something? Oh, look, there's some more trash that kind of blew away somehow. I don't really want to go under there because there's a lot of things that we could see. But we did pick up someone's trash, and it is Earth Day, so that is something good for the environment. We're helping our neighborhood and all the things. What'd you
found
find? A branch. Another branch. Yeah. Do you think it came from this big tree?
I think so.
All right. Oh, look, another water.
Can't really see that one.
All right, let's see if we can find some bugs. The sun is out, so you would think some bugs would come out of their hibernated states. Johnny made another discovery.
We found more trash.
More trash. That looks like a beer can.
Yeah.
And I should have brought a trash bag with me.
Uh-huh.
That's something you can do on your neighborhood walks. Hey, look, I have all right, we'll put it in the wagon, but Lorelai, don't touch it, okay? We're gonna throw it in the trash can.
Uh-huh.
Or even better, since it's aluminum, we can recycle that. We can put it in our recycling can.
Uh-huh.
All right. Ooh, what's that?
Some kind of bug.
I don't know. That's pretty creepy looking, huh?
Uh-huh.
It looks like an alligator. Are alligators here in Ohio?
No.
Not so much.
Right?
Look at all of these sunflowers. Have you guys ever seen this kind of flower?
Can I blow it?
Yeah, look at that. Whoops. Do it again. Yeah, it's one that you can blow. And all the seeds will go everywhere.
Wherever these seeds land, they grow another dandelion.
They do, and there's a lot in this yard, so whatever. Pretty cool. What do you want to show? You want to show Laura? How about Lorelai? You want to show everybody your really big dandelion that you have? Can you show them?
That's way long.
Hold it up. Yeah, it's so big. What color is it?
Yellow.
It is yellow. You got it. Oh, you've got it. You have yellow all over your face. Have you been sniffing it? Look at that face.
Look at this. Rock is pollinator.
It is. Look at her sniffing it and it gets yellow all over you. What a silly girl. All right, well, we're almost back home. And I know we have some stuff in our backyard that we can find on our nature hunt, but I don't know that we're gonna find any bugs.
We have a lot of huge sunflowers in our backyard.
We have sunflowers?
Yeah. We have a bunch
It's
of
news to Miss Allie. Johnny, what'd you find?
I found a bee.
Where'd it go?
It's right there, see?
Yes, it's one of those really big bumblebees. What do you think he's doing on those flowers?
Probably trying to make honey.
Okay. Do they do that on the flower or maybe... Oh! Look at him, he's pollinating. Oh, he disappeared. The flowers.
He's on this side.
There he is. So we have found a bee. Wherever it went. There he is.
It's hiding in the flowers. It's like, please.
Well, we got it at once. So we found a bumblebee. And shocker there, it's next to some flowers. It's pollinating the flowers.
Trying to make some honey.
Well, they take that. I don't know about, those aren't honeybees. That's a would be, a big bumblebee. I don't think they make honey. All right,
Wait.
let's cross that off.
I'm surprised that we at least found a bee. Are you surprised?
I am surprised.
The wind wants to take our map away.
Yeah, our scavenger hunt map. All right, maybe we'll find an ant between now and home. Let's go.
Look, Mommy, I found a wild animal.
Where?
I'm gonna go tackle it.
All right.
Hey, can you see?
No, just take it. Did you get it?
Mommy, what's the next something?
I don't know. Did you get the wild animal?
Yes, we found mushrooms.
Yeah, so they're a little dead, but that is for sure a little mushroom
Yep.
in our grass. All right, so Johnny's gonna cross that. Are you sure they're not lined up over here for our firewood?
Oh yeah,
Logs.
we have a bunch of those.
Do you know what a log is?
It comes from a tree,
It comes from a tree that you chop down.
like stump.
And then you could take it to your fire pit
Or
and light them on fire, and you can have a big bonfire, and you can cook what over top of the fire?
marshmallow.
Marshmallows. Oh.
Actually, you can cook anything.
You can, yes.
Like you can cook. Tornado siren!
Tornado siren Wednesday.
Good to know we can hear those real well in our house. That's all the louder they get.
Okay, so I think that's all we're gonna find today.
Mommy,
What?
we have a stump in our backyard.
Oh, we do. Hold
Yeah.
on, Lorelai. We finished our scavenger hunt. I don't think that we are gonna find any bugs because it is in the 40s out here.
Actually, we found a bee.
We found one bee. Lorelai wants to go back home. So I don't think that we're gonna find any more bugs right now, but if this was summertime, we would definitely be able to find some bugs.
Definitely a spider.
Definitely a spider. You probably find some in your house.
Mommy, remember that spider that was climbing on our back door?
I do.
Somehow figured it.
Miss
a way
Allie does
to
not like spiders. Okay, well, we're signing off here.
Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
What do you guys say?
Hi. Hi. Hopes and living, shooting for the stars.
Johnny's dance video.